Today let's talk about how to fix GCash login problem. In this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that your network connection is stable. If it's not, you can try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. If this is not the case for you, secondly, what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear data. You can simply tap on clear all data. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, this likely could be a service maintenance issue. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically fixed. While you wait out, you can also try to reinstall the application of GCash onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.